Hi everybody, it's John Mannion with the Owner User Group. Okay, I'm in front of 74 Maxwell here in the Irvine Spectrum. Okay, this is an example of exactly what our business does. Okay, our clients are now going to be the landlords. They bought this building and occupied it for 10 years, running their business out of that. Then they sold their business, okay, rented that space, the building, back to the people that bought their business. And now that lease has now expired and we're going to release it for them again, right? So this is exactly what we do as an owner user group. We help the owner users buy the building. Okay, they occupied it. That was fantastic. Now they are going to make this into an investment, independent investment kind of a transaction. And we have the opportunity to help them lease 74 Maxwell here in the Irvine Spectrum. Okay, so you've probably seen this type of property before. Very common in Irvine Spectrum and in Orange County as a whole. It's an upstairs, downstairs office configuration with a warehouse component behind. Okay, they're quite common and they're very functional. And so we seem to have quite a large demand for this type of property. And so I'm going to show you a couple of the spaces of the office, maybe get an idea of what that might look like. Yeah, okay, so you come upstairs and it's a quite functional space. Open area for cubes, if that's what you want. Okay, and then you have the private offices and the windowed light space that makes these types of properties very functional, and that's why they're so popular. Again, the popular feature of these buildings, the upstairs, downstairs office, warehouse component behind, but it's a double height warehouse. So you can stack product very high, 24-foot clear, it's all sprinklered. Okay, this 40 square foot unit is for lease. Fantastic opportunity so you can occupy the entire space, right? So that's what we're showcasing today. This building is for lease. Now remember, my name is John Mannion. We're the Owner User Group. We help the entrepreneurs and the business owners buy, sell, and lease buildings. And we're very specific for how we help our clients. It's just for entrepreneurs, just for owner users. You have a different set of needs, different set of data that you need to make really good decisions. Our business is set and prepared directly to help you. So reach out to us, call us at below, and we'll answer any questions you might have.